Hey guys, it's Daddy Mike back with another amazing product to show you. Today I have the KIVOTAC LED Star Projector Alarm Clock. I cannot wait to try this out. It makes me feel like a kid again. So let's just take this out of the box and we're going to talk some more about it. Show you some of the great features. Here in the box is the charging cable. Yes, this Star Projector is rechargeable, which makes it even more fun. It doesn't have to be plugged in, and if it's fully charged it can last for 5 to 7 days without recharging. Comes with your quick start guide, and guys, it comes with a remote control. How cool is that? And guys, here is the Star Projector. I love the way it looks. It looks like a little robot. Has your LED screen on the front. This is your lens on top for the Star Projector. On the back is a speaker, because this is also a Bluetooth speaker and a white noise machine with 20 different natural sounds. On the back is a power button and the charging port where you plug in your USB Type-C charging cable. On the bottom it has your manual control button. Has alarm 1 and 2. This button you can set the clock. So let's go ahead and turn the power switch on. I'm going to press the third button here and it says LED and it has a power icon. This turns on the projector mode, and if you keep pushing it you can change all the different modes. There are 7 different projection effects with monochrome and flicker mode, and it has green stars. I'm going to take a closer look at these later on the ceiling here. So the same button, if you hold it in, it controls the brightness. The next button has an L on it. That's how you turn on your white noise or connect to the Bluetooth. And there's our white noise. And hold it in to change the loudness. There are 20 different natural sounds. So now we're going to connect to the Bluetooth. Go to your phone and turn on Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth settings, go to your list of Bluetooth devices, select GGE04.
Connected.
So we are now connected to Bluetooth, and you can play your favorite music on the KIVOTAC LED Star Projector Alarm Clock. So last button is plus and minus. When you set your clock, plus will raise your number and the minus will lower your number for your time. So after you set your hours or your minutes, just long press the clock button to confirm it. And on the LED screen there's a smiley face because it's not 8 p.m. yet. From 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. there's a smiley face. From 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. there is a sleeping face. So this helps your children know when it's time to go to sleep. So guys, now let's go over the remote control functions. So guys, when you control it with the remote, the button on the top is a light button. Below it is the star on off. This button changes the different lighting modes. This button here controls the motion on off. The button with the little sun icon is to control the brightness of the LED screen. This one is a timer button, 30 minutes or 60-minute timer. And then you have alarm setting 1, alarm setting 2, and on the bottom with the music note is for white noise and changing the 20 different natural sounds, or Bluetooth mode if you have the Bluetooth connected. So it's just an awesome product, the KIVOTAC LED Star Projector Alarm Clock. Thank you, KIVOTAC, for sending me this to try out. So guys, I really love it, so please check it out.